Welcome to chapter, Use of Conjunction Instead of Preposition. Let's read this sentence. He was punished because his laziness. That sounds strange, right? That's because is a conjunction, and it needs a full sentence after it. But his laziness is just a noun. So what should we say? The correct sentence is, he was punished because of his laziness. Here's how it works. Use because when you can say a full sentence, he was punished because he was lazy. Use because of when you're just adding a reason with a noun, because of his laziness. Easy, right? Now let's look at more examples. Let's go over more examples. We stayed indoors because the heavy rain. That's not right. The heavy rain is a noun, so we must say, we stayed indoors because of the heavy rain. Next, she failed the test because her careless mistakes. Again, her careless mistakes is not a full sentence. So we say, she failed the test because of her careless mistakes. And, the match was delayed because the fog. Correct, the match was delayed because of the fog. Just remember. Because needs a sentence after it, for example because it rained. Because of is followed by a noun, for example because of the rain. Simple and clear. Let's practice and recap. Here's a rule you should remember. Use because when the reason is a full sentence. Use because of when the reason is just a noun. Let's fix these. 1. They were sad because the news. That's wrong. We should say, they were sad because of the news. 2. He was late because traffic. Not right. It should be, he was late because of traffic. 3. She stayed home because her illness. Nope. The correct sentence is, she stayed home because of her illness. You're doing great. Just check, if it's a full sentence after the reason, use because. If it's just a word or phrase, use because of. Well done. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.